Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we will find the value of x from this expression. So let's start with today's video and find out which option denotes the value of x. So the equation is x plus 2 equal to root 2. So we have to find the value of x. So we can separate the variable and the numbers. So here plus 2, I'll take it to the other side and write it as minus 2. So from both the numbers, I can take 2 common and write it down root 2 minus 1. So the value of x is root 2 minus 1. This signifies option A, no, option B, no, option C, no, option number D. So the answer is x is equals to 2 bracket root 2 minus 1. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.